A Natural Optics tenim cura de tu i de la teva salut visual.
Natural Optics. Ens trobareu a Lleida, Mollerussa, Tàrrega i Balaguer.
Morning in the city, you and up my friend. You switch my brain and leave me half dead. Well, tomorrow afternoon, if you want me, I'll be in field 2, sitting on the top deck of a number 43. Suddenly realized it wasn't the place for me. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon, if you want me, I'll be in field 2. On my stomach, staring at the sea. Must have been a drop of